COVID-19, a global pandemic.
Cases of COVID-19.
COVID-19 global health emergency.
COVID-19, the
Coronavirus.
The coronavirus emergency.
The coronavirus.
The coronavirus
Pandemic.
Hey guys, have you ever been tricked by your school when your teacher said, we will have 2 weeks of online learning, but actually turned into the almost 2 years at home because of the COVID-19 pandemic? Everything changed so quickly. School closed, cities went into lockdown, and the people were afraid to go outside. Yet in the middle of all that chaos, scientists around the world reached again time to find one thing that could bring our life back to the normal: a vaccine. Hi, I'm Nathanael Nastrali Biban, and today I'm going to share the story of how the COVID-19 vaccine developed and how it became one of the fastest scientific breakthroughs in human history. In early 2020, the world faced a health crisis unlike anything seen before. Hospitals were overwhelmed, travel was restricted, and millions of people were infected by a virus that not yet fully understood. Hospitals were filled with patients, economic activities came to a halt, and people lived in fear. For the first time, almost every country in the world shared the same goal: to find a way to stop the virus. Scientists, doctors, researchers from around the world began working together online. This shared information, research results, and the virus genetic data. Despite the immense pressure, this global collaboration became the starting point for the development of the COVID-19 vaccine in human history. The first step in developing the vaccine was to study the structure and characteristics of the virus. Researchers discovered that COVID-19 has an important component called the spike protein. This is the key the virus used to enter human cells. With this discovery, companies such as Pfizer, Moderna, and AstraZeneca began developing vaccine using new technologies, namely mRNA and viral vector platform. These technologies allow the human body to recognize the virus and build immunity without having to be infected first. Normally, vaccine development takes about 10 to 15 years, but because of global collaboration, massive funding support, and technological advancement, the COVID-19 vaccine was successfully developed in less than 1 year, a record in medical history. The vaccine were then tested in 3 phases of clinical trials involving thousands of volunteers from various countries. After being proven safe and effective, organizations such as the WHO and FDA granted emergency use authorizations (EUA) so that the vaccines could be distributed immediately. By the end of 2020, mass vaccination program began in many countries. Billions of doses were given in a short time, and the global death rate from COVID-19 started to drop significantly. The success of the COVID-19 vaccine showed that science, teamwork, and determination could overcome even the biggest global challenge. It wasn't just a medical achievement, it was a symbol of hope and human strength. In a world that had nearly stopped, the vaccine became turning point that brought back connection, safety, and a sense of normal life. For me, the story of the COVID-19 vaccine is proof that even in darkness time, humans can unite, innovate, and create something extraordinary. It taught us that every crisis can be an opportunity to grow and learn. The COVID-19 vaccine is not only a scientific breakthrough, it's a reminder of what humanity can achieve when we work together for a better future. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.